Hello, today I'm going to be teaching Saxon Lesson 53, Perimeter and Measures of a Circle. The first thing we need to know is the word perimeter. Perimeter means the distance around a polygon. To find the perimeter, we find the distance all the way around the shape. You can think of perimeter as like the baseboards around a room. To find the perimeter of our rectangle, we need to find what the length of our rectangle is and what the width of our rectangle is. We remember length is the long way and width is the wide way. We see on our rectangle that there is length up here and there is also length down here. So there are actually two lengths. The same with the width. There's width here and there's also width over here. To find the perimeter, to find the distance all the way around, we can use this formula. Perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Let's put that into practice. If I have a rectangle that is 3 inches in length and 2 inches in width, then my perimeter equals 2 times 3 plus 2 times 2. We have 2 lengths, so 3 and 3, and 2 widths, 2 and 2. 2 times 3 we know is 6, and 2 times 2 we know is 4. So 6 plus 4, the perimeter is 10 inches of our rectangle. Okay, the next thing that we need to cover is how to find the perimeter of a regular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon or shape that has equal sides and equal angles. All sides are equal and all angles are equal. We can see here we have a regular triangle, a regular quadrilateral, a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon, and a regular octagon. To find the perimeter of any regular shape, any regular polygon, all we need to do is take the number of sides times the length of one of its sides. So the triangle here, we know the triangle has 3 sides. And let's say that each side is 3 inches. So I can take 3 sides times 3 inches on each side, and the perimeter of my regular triangle is going to be 9 inches. Here with our regular quadrilateral, if each side is 2 inches, all we need to know is one of the sides. If we know one, we know that all of the others are the same. We can take 4 sides times 2 inches on each side, and the perimeter of our regular quadrilateral, or our square, would be 8 inches. And we can check by adding them together. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. And we know that's correct. Here with our pentagon, if we say that this side is 4 inches, the pentagon has 5 sides, so we can take 5 times 4 inches on each side would be 20 inches in perimeter. Our hexagon, let's use 5 inches there. It has 5 sides, so 5 times 5 inches. The perimeter is 25 inches. And finally, our octagon down here, let's say each is 2 inches again. An octagon has 8 sides, 8 times 2 inches on each side. 8 times 2 is 16 inches in perimeter. Finally, the last thing we are going to talk about in this lesson is the measures of a circle. A circle is a smooth surface, and it is continuous. It has no beginning and no end. There are no corners and everything is connected. The distance around our circle is called the circumference. The circumference is the distance around. The next measure of our circle that we're going to talk about is the radius. So here is the center of my circle. And the radius of the circle, starts at the center and it goes in any direction and stops at the curve. So the radius of my circle starts at the center and goes out to the curve. Otherwise, the radius is halfway across the circle. Finally, we have the diameter of the circle. The diameter of the circle starts at one curve, passes through the center, and stops at the opposite curve. The diameter of the circle goes all the way across. To find the diameter of a circle, we take the radius, radius times 2 equals diameter. And that is the important information for you to know for lesson 53. Thank you.